Well, I haven't made a lathe video for a while. This is the view of my Grizzly G9972Z, and I just installed a new belt. So with the current belt routing, this is the slowest speed you can get on the lathe, and I wasn't using this for a while because they give you two belts in the factory, and I didn't know this, but the factory belt to use on the upper routing is too long. If you try to tighten the tensioner, it actually rubs on the cog belt and just doesn't work. So thanks to one of my viewers and a comment, I got this new belt off eBay and it works perfectly. So I'll show you what it is here. This one is a DuraPrime. Spin this around. 3L-280. Looks like part number 1623. So anyway, I'll put a link up to it. But this belt is slightly shorter than the factory one they gave for the upper routing here. So it's not much, but it works perfect. So thank you again to the viewers, and I will link the part number below.